CKD witnessed lot of chaos and confusion on Wednesday. Locals stopped officials of Archaeology Department from erecting a gate at the entrance of CKD Fort. They claim it will affect their seasonal business. The Kalangut MLA is also backing the locals. He has promised locals that access road to the fort will never be blocked.
आम्ही सगळे आमचे भुरगे आणि एकठांय जावन आम्ही बंद केला सगळे आमचे
तुमकां कितें प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाता
आमचे पळय आमचे स्वताच आमचे पोट हांगासर आमचे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स आहा कोण आमचे गाडी आहा आमचे नुस्तेकार आहा आमकां प्रॉब्लेम जाता आमकां येवंक जाय आमकां केरोसीन व्हरोंक जाय जेवण व्हरोंक जाय सगळें व्हरोंक जाय हे गेट घातले जाल्यार आमकां प्रॉब्लेम आमी खूंय हें करतले हांगा भायले येता जोडटात वयतात आमी हांगासर आहा.
So even emergency cases take place when drowning vehicle has to come. So if they put the gate, it will cause a lot of inconvenience to our people.
Locals get out the officials from Archaeology Department.
Blocking arrangement is not there.
तो आपको पार्किंग यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि हम लोग तो फोर्ट वॉल डैमेज है.
पार्किंग तो इधर से उधर तक सब जगह होता है ना, इधर से पूरा फोर्ट है.
Sarpanch and Panch members are annoyed as the Archaeology Department did not seek permissions from the Panchayat.
I am objecting to it and will go any extent for not putting the gate to stop it.
Local MLA Michael Lobo intervened to resolve the issue. He has assured that the access road will not be blocked.
No, that is a wrong move what they have done today. आणि आधी हुई तेणी अशेंच चालू आसले की गेटी घेवनूच येताले हिंगा. So they have to take local panchayat in confidence first. If they are saying that lot of outside people are coming and parking, let the people come, leave their passenger and go and park here. हिंगासोर डॅमेज जाता म्हणटा ती वॉल हिंगासोर पार्क करून फाटल्यान. पण जे लोकल लोक आहा तेंचे पार्किंग स्टॉप करूंक जावचें ना. Outsiders we will stop. Let a panchayat give a security guard. But this access we should never be blocked in any way. This is our demand and it will never be blocked.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The second edition of Fomento All India Federating Chess Tournament kicked off on Wednesday at Miramar. Over 150 players from different parts of India are taking part in the 4-day competition. Goa's Riya Savant is the top-rated player at the tournament organised by Rudreshwar.
Mayor of Panaji, Surendra Furtado, Managing Director of Fomento Resorts, Anju Timlo, amongst others, declared the championship open. Youngest participant of the tournament at 5 years, Sairaj Vernekar moved a piece on invitation by Timlo to commence the competition. Timlo affirmed support to Rudreshwar's chess tournaments in future.
Chess is growing in Goa. It's the best sport by which discipline, focus and intelligence can be tested. And I know that most chess players are also good students in education because they have the concentration and the discipline and focus. I would like to wish you the best for your competition and we are very happy to be part of it and we'd like to congratulate Rudreshwar Club to continue with this event and I wish them all the luck for their annual event and they know that Fomento will be with them in every way to ensure that chess grows in Goa.
Top-rated player in the tournament, Riya Savant's target is to gain at least 20 ELO rating points.
What is your target?
To come first and increase maximum 20 ELO.
Chief Arbiter Vasant B.H. from Mangalore gave details of participants at the competition.
It's a federated All India Chess Tournament. It's a below 2000 ELO rating. And this is only to get a FIDE rating for the lower rated players. So as of today, now 156 players registered from Goa and the neighbor states. So total out of 156, there were 78 rated players. That means 50%, and 32 were the female players. And from other states like Karnataka, then Gujarat, Maharashtra, Delhi, there were around 20 players. So it is a good opportunity for the local players to get a FIDE rating.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tushidas Chari from Miramar.
If you've missed our bulletin, don't worry. If you have an Android-based phone, just download our app and watch the latest news from Goa whenever you want. Just go to Play Store and type Prudent. With this, we conclude our news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.